Hey Gabriel, it's Josh Betzel. It was nice talking to you on the phone earlier today, and this is that video I was telling you about that shows you the 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now you're probably wondering, why is this guy Josh shooting me this video? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their businesses to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I found by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of these local business owners still raising their hands saying, "Hey, I like what you do, Josh. Can you please keep doing this for me?" So if by the end of this video, if you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we could chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that totally works for me too. So now let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above the competition and not waste any more of your time. And the first thing I want to go over is content. When I'm talking about content, I'm not just talking about the amount of keywords on your page, but what keywords you're using. So when I plugged your homepage content in this word counter, you came up to 295. You really want 1,500 to 2,000 words. And this is the reason why. Google sends out robots that crawl, and these robots, they crawl and look for these keywords in the content. But the more content you have, the more they crawl. All right, so what are these keywords I'm talking about? Well, I'll go over here to this little tool. It's called Keywords Everywhere. It shows you what you're being ranked for on your website. And as you can see here, you just have 5 words you're being ranked for right now, and they're not really relevant to anything Jacksonville flooring. All right, so I'll go over here to your competition, which is Mike Nickel Flooring. All right, they're your competition because he is ranked #1 organically when searching flooring companies, Jacksonville, Florida. Okay, so we go over to him. He has 154 words on his homepage. Not that good at all, right? But this is where it differs. This is all the words he's ranking for. Rank #3, Jacksonville Flooring, 210. Flooring companies, Jacksonville, Florida. Rank #5, 110, etc. So as you can see this list, a lot of these keywords are tailored towards Jacksonville. So when people are searching for these services, they're automatically being brought to Mike's site just because he's ranked #1 organically. All right. The second thing I want to talk to you about was just how this main page of Google is laid out real quick. And so when you search flooring companies, Jacksonville, Florida, of course you see the ads. Ads are good, okay, but research shows they're only semi-effective and become a huge money pit if they're not utilized correctly. All right. And the next thing we see is a Google Map pack, which brings us to the second thing I want to talk about, which is citations. Citations is how you mainly rank in the Google Map pack, okay? And so when I plugged your company into this local citation finder by Whitespark, you came up to 4. All right, Whitespark costs about $30-$70 a month. It's a pretty neat tool, but it's only for citations. So it's not my favorite tool, but it's one of the tools I have to have if you wanted it. All right. Citations are anything with a NAP, name, address, phone number. And I believe I found you on the 5th page of the Google Map pack when flooring companies Jacksonville, Florida is searched. All right. We don't want you just on the first page, but we want you as #1. Okay. So add some citations, add a description in your Google Map pack as well. I believe that Google is limited to 750 characters, and make sure you initiate those keywords we were talking about into the description when you put it in if you want to grow this, okay? You need 200 to 300 of these citations to beat your competition out at a landslide with a map pack, all right? And the third thing I wanted to talk to you about was backlinks. Backlinks, link juice, referring domains, all right? And I bet you're wondering, what is this backlink and link juice you're talking about? It's what gives your website authority in Google's eyes, okay? So this link juice works like this. For example, LinkedIn is pointing to your website. Therefore, LinkedIn is acting like link juice, which gives your website more authority in Google's eyes. Almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effectively when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you have let's say LinkedIn again, LinkedIn linking to you, that would be more effective than Pizza Hut linking at you because, hey, let's be honest, you sling floor installations for a living, you don't sling pizzas, all right? And so you have 125 referring domains and 438 backlinks, okay? When we come up to your competition, which is Mike's website, they have 37 referring domains and 190 backlinks. So I bet you're wondering, Josh, how the heck are they beating me in Ahrefs right now? Well, going back to the referring domains in site, what gives your site authority for being relative to your site, all right? You need more backlinks that are relative to your sites, more guest posts, more citations, more influence / link juice, and definitely more blog comments, all right? All 4 of those things combined is referring domains and backlinks and will give your website more authority, all right? So I'll show you what I'm talking about with your default links. They're not much drive, man. Not much drive at all, okay? So, just to go back over the three things we talked about. One was content. You definitely want more content on your homepage, so those Google robots, they crawl and look for more keywords, and you want to add those keywords in the content. The second thing was citations. If you want to be number one in this Google Map Pack, you need about 200 to 300 of these to beat out the competition by a landslide. And the third thing was link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at you to show Google you are the authority. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 904-383-8479. Again, my name is Josh, and my number is 904-383-8479. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day.